Hola, my amigo friends. I hope you're all doing well today. So we're going to do a little house tour of our place today. So I know we've done it when we first moved in, or when we were hunting for places, I should say. So now that we're all settled in, we'll do a little tour of what it actually looks like and the pros and cons. So we got a nice little bench seat outside here. Not that we've ever used it, but there is one there if you wanted to sit under the tree in the morning and drink your coffee. And we got a gate here that we can lock. And the beach is literally one block that way. So as you can see here, I'll show you, there's no windows in here. No actual window panes, it's just a screen, that's it. So we keep her sealed up during the day because it gets pretty hot in there. So that's it for the front yard, my friends. Got a nice little parking pad here. Some little palm trees. I'll go around to the back. These lights here come on. I should mention these lights here too up there are motion activated. So we just leave them turned on and they turn on automatically when it gets dark out, when the sun goes down. So we'll go around to the back. You see we got barbed wire fence here. There's no water pressure here. It's only gravity fed. So there's no actual water pump except for the pool. The pool has a pump which is right in there. So now I've put all this up here myself, or built my own privacy fence. I made a little short about that. It works. I mean, you can't see it from the road. I just pulled off the pond between the barbed wire. I've got a fair sized backyard here, as you can see. And we put up our beach umbrella. A couple of coconuts that fell. So this took me about I don't know, probably 4 hours to make. I just grabbed these. There was a pile of them down the road here. And then obviously from our palm tree, it's been falling, so we'll see how it lasts in a windstorm. So far it's been so good. I've doctored it up a little bit, but not too terribly bad. And then I had a tarp in the back of my car that I used to cover the fence here, and I just filled in the gaps in the corners with the palms, as you can see. So this gives us full privacy in the back here, so it's kind of nice now. So that's only gravity fed. The pool is actually a fair size. Now these chairs were all here, except for the table and the umbrella. And I just found a pail in the yard here and I just filled it with some sand, put some rocks, and I had some shells lately that I've been finding. And there is power out here too that it does work, so which is kind of nice. So yeah, so this is our backyard. And there's actually a shower here. I tried to hook up the old shower head, but I couldn't get it screwed in there, so, but it works. You can have a rinse off before you go take your dip. So that's it for the outside, my friends. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, so it's pretty nice in here actually. The only problem that I have is the kitchen. There's not a lot of storage space for stuff, so we took this out of the bedroom and put it in here. This was in the spare bedroom. Now there's no hot water in the kitchen here or this bathroom. There's only hot water in the two other in the bedrooms, that's it. So that's the main bathroom, just a half bath. So what I do is I fill up a pail and carry it into the kitchen here, and in order to do the dishes. So As you see, the sink's a little bit rough. I mean, it's got some rust on it. It's pretty old. But in this countertop here, it's just that cheap. It's not quartz, it's just cheap. You can see it's broken here, and it's caved in actually. It's dropped down. You can see, and there was a door along there at one time, but it's been broken off underneath, so we kind of just keep cleaning supplies under there, and then I have some utensils there that's inside a separate bin and plastic containers and whatnot. So, and then underneath is all cleaning supplies as well. So, and there's these windows here that all open up that we keep closed because of the heat. And another thing that I don't really like is the stove. I like that it's gas, but there's my propane tank right there. So, I mean, I've dealt with gas stoves and propane all my life, being a chef working in hotels. So, we probably never will use the oven because it just gets too damn hot. But we have a little convection oven here that we use, and then that's where we keep our cutlery that we bought, so there's no drawer to put that in. So like, there's no drawers in here whatsoever, none. So I got to clean this up. I put tin foil on the bottom, little trick I learned, and that's that white boards are actually tile that were outside. I just cleaned up, brand new tile that never got used. So and then there's our counter here where we keep dishes. All the dishes got to stay out. There's no cupboard, so now this was a little table. We bought this, so this is our coffee water station here. Our cappuccino machines on here. Cappuccino, latte, espresso. So, dog food underneath. There's our jugs of water. It's a nice place, so we like living here. I mean, it's got a nice big table. The tablecloth came with it, so it's nice. The couch was here. All this furniture was here. Now the wicker stuff here was in the spare bedroom. The TV we keep covered for the dust because it gets dusty in here fast. Like, you pretty much have to mop every day because it's so much sand, dust. So it gets dusty in one day. I've been running the mop over the floor every day pretty well. Just this main entrance where we walk from that door to that door. Not too bad along here where Jennifer is on the couch. So here's the spare bedroom. Kind of we store a lot of stuff in here. We use this for a storage room. All the stuff that Jen hates. Stuff. So we keep our bikes in here. Jennifer's office is in here. And there is AC in here, but there's no AC in the living room. So what we do is we keep this AC running all the time. And we have the fan right there, blowing cool air out. So, and that's a Wi-Fi booster right there. And then Cece's little bed's in here, so he can stay close to his mom while she's working. So all this office stuff here, the table, the desk and the chair, we bought in Merida. The monitor we bought in Merida. The keypad we ordered from Amazon. No, we bought it in Merida, sorry. So there's a double and a single bed in here. And then here's the bathroom for in here. There's the hot water tank, which is quite sufficient. And here's a shower. And as you can see, it's got a tap here. And that's where I fill up to do the dishes. So, it does have a little window in here too. The other bathroom's got a window as well. We just keep it all sealed up. So. And there's a nice ceiling fan. There's two in the living room, and then each bedroom has a ceiling fan. Sorry about the dog, guys. So this furniture here was actually, like I said, it was in the bedroom. We just brought it out. Same with that table. That table was in that bedroom. We just brought it out to fill up the space here, and it looks nice. And we use that table, kind of our junk table, to where all the keys and sunglasses sit. All the stuff for going out the door is there. So you can see all these windows open up, and as you can see, there's gaps. You can see light coming in, and there's no windows, just screens, so it gets pretty dusty. Very dusty. That's the negative of living so close to the beach on a sand road. And then this is the master bedroom. It's got a king-size bed, as you can see. Nice big ceiling fan, got AC. These racks also were in the other bedroom. We brought them out because there's no dressers in here, so Jennifer uses a chair for a night table. That table was in here, that night table, so it works. I got my clothes over there. She's got her clothes over here. Shoes on the bottom. We got room for shoes over there. And here's the ensuite bathroom. Got a nice walk-in shower, which is quite nice. And as you can see, I changed the shower head in here. So it's got some storage in here though for stuff, right? We got our luggage stored up top. One bar there. There's a bar there where that rag is hanging drying. It's broken. We don't use it, that one in here, so there was no need for it. Kind of decorated these up with shells a little bit, and you can see it's tarnished from the salt air, humidity. Nice big doors in here though, really nice. So this place has been renovated. This tile is new on the walls, I believe. I believe it's the original tile on the floor, but the walls have all been retiled. Same with outside. And the windows have been changed too. If you look at Google Maps, the windows are actually half moon. So they've done some renovations in here. So I believe it was all his paint. You can see the paint is peeling. It's all, and it falls off. So that's what happens when you live in a humid climate. So overall, it's pretty nice and we're quite happy here. But we'll be glad when our other place is ready in August. So it's a little bit newer, not quite as big, smaller, only one bathroom versus 3, but it is a 2-bedroom and its square footage is quite a bit smaller. But like I said, it's newer. I don't think that place is very old. I'll find out. We'll do a video on it. I'll find out how old that place is when we get moved in there. Anyway, that's it, my friends. Thanks for following along. Truly appreciate you guys, and have yourself a blessed day. Adios, amigos.